So what I would like to highlight, we focus too much here on expansion, but RTRS is not only about expansion. It's a full set of standards that covers the main criteria for soy. And RTRS today has a focus more on South America and India, but we do need to put US producers on board. And I think RTRS is a very good tool also for the US soy industry. So where is RTRS today? The certification is ready. We have everything approved. We are exactly at the final moment. And in the beginning of 2011, the South crop, the South American crop, can be already on the market. We have demand from Europe markets. We have many industries with targets to have RTRS soy. So this soy can be supplied in 2011. Who needs to be certified? Well, this depends. If you are going to work on physical flow, if you're going to use segregation, both producers and the chain of custody needs to be certified. If you're going to work towards certificate trading, which means the producer is certified, he sells his certificate to the industry, but there is not a link of the product to the certificate, then there is no need to certify the supply chain. So, and another interesting solution, another interesting alternative that we created is that RTRS offer today 2 annexes. So if you want to be RTRS plus Renewable Directive on biofuel certified, you can do this through RTRS. You don't need to apply for 2 certifications. So I think this is good to reduce costs for producers and also for the industry. And if you want to be RTRS plus non-GM, as we know there is a market for non-GM in Europe, you can also do this through RTRS. We offer an annex for non-GM certification. This is something that's very interesting, trying to bring more producers and to understand the real needs of the sector. We have this approach now of major and minor criteria. So we identify what are the most critical criteria and the ones that really hurts credibility of RTRS, and these are considered majors. So in the first year, a producer to be certified, he has to comply with all the majors plus some minors. So in the first year, you have to comply with 64% of the total standards. On the second year, you have to go to 86%, and from the third year on, you have to be in compliance with 100%. This, I think, is an interesting approach, also a stepwise approach that allows continual improvement during the process. So I would like now to have some comments and some suggestions for the stakeholder here. I think what we are doing here in an open process, in a democratic way, it's vital for credibility. We must avoid decisions taken separately on bilateral basis. So I think this is the heart of a respected initiative. Also to have a balanced and representative executive board that aggregates the most important producing countries and the most important stakeholders. Also having in mind that small players are important to be on the board in order also to protect the initiative from critics that are always coming towards this kind of initiatives. A code of conduct. I think this is one of the most important issues, to write a good and solid code of conduct that pushes stakeholders towards a continuous improvement, and also that protects the initiative. And I think the most important one, technically speaking, is consider all the difference among all producing countries and systems. I think if we start to compare different systems of production, this is the kind of thing that can put this initiative towards a worse scenario. We must try to raise the best out of each system. So, and also I think we should focus on key sustainability issues. For example, extensive beef, we should focus on productivity and deforestation and feedlots. One of the important issues for feedlots is sustainability of the feed compounds and also animal welfare. I think these are some ideas that we can further discuss. So that's it. Fantastic. Thank you.
That's it, yeah.